Hi everyone, I am going to talk a little bit about trying new recipes and maybe being a little bit adventurous in the kitchen. I recently got a whole duck, actually 4 whole ducks from a local farmer, and I am going to attempt to cook one whole. I've been experimenting with cooking each one a little bit differently, and what I did find is that roasting it whole, I'm going to go through a process of defrosting it so that the skin gets dry, because that's actually the tip of getting it crispy. And so you can score just the skin and not the meat part of it before you put it in the oven. But when you're defrosting it, keep it in the refrigerator uncovered overnight so that the skin gets dry, and that's going to help it get crisped up a little bit more. I'm going to put out some more tips that I found about roasting a whole duck. If you have never roasted a whole duck, give it a try if you feel like. We'll go through the steps. And the other thing that happened when I was looking up a recipe is that I had maybe half of the ingredients that the recipe actually called for. So I pulled different things out of my refrigerator that would fit those ingredients, like an acid, different like sauces and fruits and alliums. You can use all different ones. You don't have to do what's exactly in the recipe. So you'll see what I had to use for this glaze that's going to go on to the whole roasted duck.